people, welcome to another weird little video. Today, as you can tell by the root beer shirt, I'm doing my hair. But that's true and untrue because this isn't really my hair. This is my robot hair, my synthetic fake hair that I bought on Amazon, which you'll sort of see my review throughout the video. It's obviously not the best wig in the whole world. As you can probably tell by the fact that I'm like wearing it up and back and covered, but I am really enjoying it. It's fun to have this big, long, thick ponytail, and I can't wait to wear it out in public, which you'll see at the end. And just keep watching. Please, watch my video. Watch all my videos. Subscribe. Like this video. Okay. Hey party people, let's just get this out of the way. I realize that my hair looks frightening, but it's because I'm in a transition period. I'm gonna be putting more orange on it, so don't judge. Don't hate and don't judge. Are you ready to get your hair cut?
Let's do this.
Okay. Bust out the hair. I wanted to note that this bag says wigs, genuine luxury, the hair you worth.
That's some good stuff.
It's good. It's good.
Right.
It's good. This is what we are working with
Put it
today.
on me.
So I'm gonna put a cap on you.
Oh, I get the whole cap.
The whole cap and gown.
Okay.
It's your big day. You can let your ears breathe too.
Okay.
This really isn't necessary. It's just a part of the experience that I want for you.
Look at my like curly. I feel like a Roman.
Okay, fine.
Alright.
So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to put the wig on Luke just so he can sort of be my floating head because I need to cut this hair. I cut a bunch of it off yesterday, but it's still way too long and it's just got way too much going on. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to like go through layer by layer and just rip some hair out. I'm not going to rip it out. I'm going to cut it out, but
Put it on me.
let's do this. Slide it back and under. Yeah. And then the bottom you can like yank down.
Ooh. I think it's under there.
Okay.
I feel like such a.
And then
Like I
here,
need a
I'm gonna do one
board,
more thing.
bro.
So look at me.
I don't know if it's fully on.
Yeah, it's not
It
here.
hurts.
Oh, honey. This is gonna maybe scare you.
Okay.
Oh, that did scare me.
Oh my god.
And then here, I'm gonna do the same thing.
Okay.
And now I'm just gonna brush it out. You did it, babe.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Am I on?
It's as good as it's gonna get. On you, I think. Luke's head is obviously bigger than mine. I mean, I guess maybe that might not be obvious, but it is.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna fit.
I feel like I should be a kite surfer. I
You
should be down at the gorge.
do.
People
You
would
look
be
so pretty.
people would be like, "Who is this guy?"
Who is she? So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna brush it out. So this part's kind of boring. I apologize. You know what I never realized until the other day is that George R.R. Martin and J.R.R. Tolkien have something in common, and that is the R.R., among other things.
Do you think George copied him?
Probably. I'm like, does that mean something?
J.R.R. Tolkien? Is that what it is?
Yes!
Wow.
Is that what it is? Of course it is.
If I was a lady and I had hair like this, like how long does it take to get your hair cut? Or am I gonna figure it out right
You're
now?
about to learn.
Oh my god.
Luke's about to learn.
Cut me.
Cut my life into pieces.
I just want to be a snow babe.
Holy
Yeah.
smokes! Look how cute you
Tuck in
are!
the board.
Don't you guys think this already looks so much better? Like, this was too long. Okay, anyway. He's beautiful. What's your favorite movie? Spirited Away?
Is that what I look like?
Kinda.
Spirited
Away is a very good movie.
I'm insulted.
I wear these.
I don't know why, but I'm insulted.
I'm confused. I'm conflicted.
I feel like if your favorite movie is Spirited Away, you're kind of a special girl.
Yeah. But I mean, so is anybody who wears these. And I wear them, so I'm including myself.
Okay.
Back to the haircut. Okay, I need you to, like, sit up, look at me. Engage physically. Look at me. Straight on. Thank you. Engage physically. Physically
I'm just going into
engaged.
meditation mode.
Thank you. That's exactly what I need from you. I should be a hairstylist. Look at me. I didn't say look up. I don't know what's wrong with you. A couple of things. So I opted for a shorter part, which I now regret because it just doesn't look good. Like, obviously, a longer part is going to look better, and in the future, that's definitely what I'll go for. With the shorter part, I think that so long as I have, like, some sort of, like, headband, or if I have sort of the front pieces styled, like, I'll be able to pull it off. But it just is too much just right here. And I went through and I thinned it out quite a bit, and it is still just so ridiculous. If I wish that I had like a steamer. Like, I would definitely like try to steam this and like flatten it out to try to get it to lay a little bit flatter. And that's something in the future that I'll probably do, but for now, I'm just trying to make the best out of what I've got, okay? So, what do I have left to do? I'm gonna put this wig on for real. I'm gonna glue it down. I'm going to razor the ends a little bit more to get rid of some of the volume. I'm going to finish framing my face and just sort of like laying it down. And then I'm gonna give you guys sort of like a couple of hairstyles, I think. It looks so dumb like this. Like, it just looks so ridiculous. But I think I've got this. I think I've got this, you guys. I have got this under control. I know what I'm doing. No, I don't. So, as long as I can kind of keep the hair out of my face, I really don't mind this wig. Like, I just have to like style it in such a way that it like pulls this top piece away. Yeah, I'm not super unhappy with this. This is like fine. And honestly, you guys, I spent so long thinning this hair out. Like, I really went in. And there's still so much of it. It's insane. So that's look number 1. Moving on. Okay, I realize this is kind of the same idea. But I really like the way that it looks with the headband. This is something that I could definitely see myself doing. Sorry, I need to fix these hairs on the front. I kind of royally screwed them up. I'm gonna say I'm so glad that I didn't like splurge and buy an expensive wig for my first one, because I've like thoroughly screwed this one up. Just like, obviously I'm not a professional hairstylist. Like, the haircut is janky, and I did cut a hole in the lace that I had to fix, which I just sewed shut, which isn't great, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And then there are issues where like I need to like trim the lace back a little bit more because I screwed up the hairline just by accidentally cutting it. And anyway, that's obviously okay because this isn't a super expensive wig. But if I had been like, you know what, I'm gonna go for it, I'm gonna buy a really nice one, and then I just screwed it up, that would have been kind of devastating. But one thing that I've learned through this process is I really enjoy this just for the sake of like having this fun hair. But what I'll do probably in the future, if I do want to invest in a nice wig, in a nice like human hair, full lace wig, is I'm going to take it to the salon, you know, and I'm going to have a stylist, you know, fit it onto me and, you know, cut it and style it to my face, because I do my own hair for the most part. Like, I cut my hair and color it, obviously, as you guys know, if you know anything about me. But, I'm not a professional, and I don't think I'm, like, very good at it. I just do it because I enjoy it. But I think it would be super cool to have a wig that, got styled professionally. So, it's definitely something I'm thinking about now, because this is so fun. Like, I'm gonna wear this. I'm probably gonna wear this today. Like, I'll probably wear this out if we, like, go to the store or whatever. I'll probably style it a little bit differently than this. Maybe I'll show you what I would do if I went out, because obviously this is still a little bit like it's obviously a wig, you know? Anybody who's anybody is gonna clock this wig a mile away. It's, like, giant, but doesn't change the fact that I love it. Well, I shouldn't say I love it. I really don't like this wig that much. So, this is probably gonna be my grocery shopping wig look for tonight. You know, it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and say I give this wig a solid 6 out of 10, because it is technically exactly what I wanted. And it served my its purpose. There were just a couple things that I didn't like about it in terms of the hairline and the, I guess I didn't realize when I bought a synthetic wig that I wouldn't really be able to pluck it without ruining the lace, which is fine. It's not the wig's fault. I don't know why I'm trying to defend the wig so hard. She's just a wig, but, yeah. Overall, a fun experience. I'm definitely gonna do this again. Okay, guys. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I've been enjoying myself. And I hope you like my wig. I hope you didn't notice how thoroughly I screwed it up. I'm like trying to hide all of these imperfections. But I am definitely wearing this out in public. Like, this girl is gonna breathe, like, right now. I'm taking this girl to Walmart. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good time with me, and I'll see you again on the next one. Goodbye.
Dude, you need to get a whole bunch of these.
I
man.
know.
I'm gonna wear this to work.